welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up the February 2022 BoxyCharm base box.
BoxyCharm.
Of BoxyCharm. I don't know if I mentioned that. Did I mention that? I don't know.
What is BoxyCharm? Where am I? Who are you? What's going on?
Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. He helps with my unboxings and stuff like that. I don't know where my head is right now. On my channel, I do makeup related topics. I do unboxings, and per my channel name, I do talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health issues, which I obviously have a lot of. And
We all do, honey.
And, okay, if you're interested in any of those topics, or say you're interested in all those topics, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and tap that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So, if you're interested in seeing what is in my BoxyCharm base box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, I pay for my own box. I don't get PR from BoxyCharm, so
Not yet, anyway.
the way I talk about BoxyCharm, I don't know if I'll ever get PR from them, but I think this box.
Oh, we love BoxyCharm. They're the best.
I don't think I'll ever. I just said that. Okay.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. I think the box is $27.99. I don't know. I'll leave.
We sent them some amount of money, and they sent us this.
I'll leave a link to BoxyCharm down below. It's not even my referral link because I don't want to get charms because it sounds like a lot of trouble in the charm room and
I
things
have no
like that.
idea what you're talking about, but I'm agreeing with you.
Okay. I do know there's one thing in here that I am excited about. So, you did get 5 full-size items
What size?
in here.
Not medium size. Not sample size. Not even
Sorry about
quarter
that.
size. Full size.
And you get a little card
Ooh, that's my favorite part.
that has their theme, and it's Be My Glam-entine.
Ah.
And they did actually put some packing material in here.
Good for
this
them.
time.
That
I didn't
shows
expect
initiative.
Okay. I've seen some things in here that I didn't expect in this box. The first thing is you get to pick one thing that's going to be in your box. And the thing I picked was the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette.
Booty glow.
Booty Glow.
Okay. It's booty glow.
Why don't you read about it?
And which voice would you like today?
I don't know.
Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Oh yeah. Right. $40, new launch. Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. Get your glow on. Get it on. Get that glow on.
Wow, these are really pretty colors.
It's a fabulous, baby. Fabulous. Glowing. Popping. Gleaming, radiant, icy, beaming. Oh. Those are nice.
Not that I have a lot of highlighters, and when I did my declutter, I only decluttered one highlighter.
It's a start.
So I like highlighters a lot, and okay, that is one item. I am very happy to get that.
Nice.
Okay, and one thing that's in here that I did not expect to get because it was like a choice item for last month, and that is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape Palette.
Ooh. Wondrous TM Escape Eyeshadow Palette featuring hyaluronic acid. It's everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah,
To help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are grease-proof for all day wear. That's a shiner right there.
yeah, I like that
Damn.
little pop of blue in there. I am keeping this palette.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that flourish one. That's cool. Sea glass.
It's a nice neutral palette, and it's got some gold in
There's
there,
some sparkles in there.
and some pink.
Some real shiny colors. Put that on, that highlighter on, and you'd be blinded on contrary.
I guess the
driving off
hyaluronic
the
acid is
road.
good for your eyes.
It's good for everything. It's good for what ails you.
I'm gonna take this out of this.
Use it to re-graft your tile, and shine your windshield, and unplug your drains. Keep varmints out of the back shed.
Tea me.
Tea?
Isn't that the tea that gives you the diarrhea? Detox Mask.
Only one way to find out.
It's a detox mask.
That's detox. That is detoxing. All their toxins coming out. Like those gummy bears, those fat-free gummy bears, those detox you real good.
What does it say about this?
This mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay. Which one of those ingredients is the ones that get you? I don't know. This natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. $29.99. Tea Me Blends.
Okay. So far, I like these books.
Which rid your pores of impurities, but which way do the impurities go?
Next up, we have Bally Bar Pineapple Lip Scrub.
Pineapple.
It looks like this. Oh, no safety seal.
Oh, wow.
It does smell like pineapple.
Living on the edge. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugar cane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. The super hydrated coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple.
I heard people talking about this saying it didn't smell like pineapple, but it really smells like pineapple to me.
Oh, that pineapple right there.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
strongly.
packed with pineapple.
Strongly like pineapple.
Pineapple smack you right upside the head. All the pineapple. All right. What else we got?
Ilamasqua. Ilamasca.
Ilamasqua. Didn't we go to Ilamasqua on that one that wood cruise?
It is the Hydra setting spray.
Hail Hydra. Hydra setting spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with that's PEA, peptides, rich in amino acids. Hydra setting spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. And if you cut the top off, 2 tops grow out.
That's nice.
$26.
$26.
$26.
It kind of has. It's not a fine.
The pea peptides, those are expensive.
It's not a fine mist.
Oh. No, it's a lightweight mist. It says right here.
Okay.
I don't know what the difference is, but yeah.
All right.
Like to say, the brother say, baby, you look fine, or baby, you look lightweight.
Okay, I want to smell this detox mask.
Careful.
Okay,
smell it too strong, or things will start detoxifying right out of your nose.
This doesn't have a safety seal.
What? Said that he won't. It's YouTube calling to say you're doing great. Keep it up.
It has like a citrusy smell.
Huh.
I don't know. Did any of y'all
Like
get
one of
this?
those, like one of those smoothies that they start out with the citrus stuff and then they put in a bunch of spinach and make it green.
Did any of y'all get this in your BoxyCharm? Let me know down below. Okay.
Down below.
Can you add all this up? And wait until I'm done. Until you say the price. So, I got this HBT Glow highlighter palette. I got the Wondrous Escape palette, which I think is really cool. I got the Ballet Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub, which I also like. I got this Tea Me Detox Mask. And I got this El Masca Hydra Setting Spray, which is pretty cool. How much is
All right,
it?
what's your guess? See if you guess without going over.
Well, I didn't listen to any of the prices.
Well, take a guess.
$155.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's $161. You're just $6 off.
All right.
You win the showcase too.
I would give this box a 5 out of 5. I like everything in here. I love masks. I like setting sprays. I'll definitely use this lip scrub. And
BoxyCharm, you rocked it.
I like the two palettes.
Yeah.
So,
And they put the bubble wrap in too.
yeah, and they
Yeah.
put the bubble wrap. And so, let me know if you got your BoxyCharm and what you got in it. Did you get the same thing for choice? Did you get that Wondrous palette that they had from as choice from Lost? Was it choice for base or was it choice for premium? I don't remember.
Help us solve the mystery.
Are we Boxy Twins?
Or Boxy Triplets. Boxy Quads.
And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Just leave any kind of comment below, even if you just want to tell us about your day and how you're doing. We love hearing from you. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your week
Sparkles your day.
or weekend, whenever you are watching this.
Fortnite, Epic, what have you.
And if you're having an especially hard time, I hope that we are sending you good vibes and that you get them. Just remember to stay strong and to stay healthy and to stay safe out there.
Stay hydrated.
And
Stay out of the sun.
and I will see you tomorrow for another video. And just stay well until then. Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.